Developing this afternoon, there are questions about how much the Republicans' long-awaited health care plan will cost. The proposal released today would replace Obamacare, and it swaps subsidies for tax credits to help Americans buy insurance and end penalties for Americans without insurance. And Georgians who signed up for Obamacare and Georgians who have their own plan have questions about this new health care plan. Channel 2's Richard Elliott is live in Midtown Atlanta with what it could mean and the next steps. Richard?
Repealing and replacing the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, has been on the GOP's table for a very long time. And just like the rollout of Obamacare years ago, their plan is now causing some concerns around Metro Atlanta. Now, as a freelancer, do you have to get your own insurance?
I do. That's why I'm worried.
Tamika Burnett is a freelance court reporter, so she has to get her own health insurance. She told me she signed up for Obamacare when it first rolled out, but she didn't much care for it, so she switched to Blue Cross.
But I think the Obama plan was not, depending on your situation, it was pretty good for some and probably not for others.
The newly unveiled Republican plan keeps some parts of Obamacare but changes others. It rolls back Medicaid expansion, scraps the rule stating everyone has to have health insurance. It gets rid of subsidies and instead creates tax credits for people based on their age. It still prevents insurance companies from denying coverage based on pre-existing conditions. WSB political analyst Bill Crane says not all Republicans like this plan, so he expects the proposal will go through several changes.
I don't think the bills, as we've seen them presented today, will be ultimately entirely what we'll be seeing voted on, because I do think that some concessions will have to be made to keep the more conservative members of both caucuses in the House and Senate in favor of the bill.
Tamika Burnett says she'll take a good long look at the GOP plan, but isn't sure it'll be right for her either.
Well, I have to get more details on it, but I really don't, I won't say I don't trust Trump too much, but I would have to get more details before I can make a decision on it.
Now, President Trump announced late this afternoon he is proud to support this new health care plan and hopes it gets passed soon. We're live in the newsroom. Richard Elliott, Channel 2 Action News.